every time you write a frequency, you need to have some sort of effective date on that frequency, just so we know when that frequency starts. So, for an example, let's say you did an evaluation, and you put them on a 2W8 frequency. Well, that effective date would be the date that you did the evaluation. So if you did that evaluation on June 11th, the frequency would be written as 2W8 effective June 11th. And so what that means is you need to do a second visit this week, so you get the frequency in. So you get the 2 times a week frequency in, which makes sense. That's pretty simple. One of the things that people have trouble with is whenever you get to an end of frequency re-eval. So we've already talked about that. That's the re-eval that's done at the end of the frequency, where we continue to extend for more therapy. So the effective date will always be written as the following Monday. So if you can get at your calendar for a second to make it a little bit easier, if you look at June 2014, we'll say that the frequency ends on the week of June 8th. And so June 13th comes up, and that is the last day of your frequency. So on that day, you have to determine, okay, I'm going to see this patient for continued visits. You want to write the new frequency effective the following Monday, which would be June 16th. So if you're going to see them for 2 times a week for another 4 weeks, on that visit on June 13th, the frequency will be written as 2W4 effective June 16th. And the reason why that date is Monday instead of Sunday is because there's half of our agencies whose Medicare week runs Sunday through Saturday. So Sunday being first day of the week, Saturday being last day of the week, which is a typical week that we all know. However, the other half has weeks running Monday through Sunday, meaning Monday is the first day of the week, Sunday is the last day of the week, which I'm not exactly sure why they do that, but it is what it is, and we just have to deal with it. So whenever we put effective dates for extending frequencies, we always want that effective date to be on Monday. Sunday can sometimes count as the previous week. So again, if you're looking at the second week of June, the frequency is ending. You're coming up on June 13th, which is Friday of that week. You want to extend the patient 2 times a week for another 4 weeks. That frequency is written 2W4 effective June 16th. If you have any questions on that, be sure to let our office know. Sometimes that can be fairly confusing. Again, evals are the effective date's the date of the eval. End of frequency evals, re-evals, you want to make sure you put the effective date as the following Monday.